Shovel. Come on. Ready? Throw it.
Oh.
You okay?
You alright, dude? That was funny.
Go inside and warm up. Okay. Alright. Hey, dump it. Ready? Alright, let's do some more. Okay. Dump it. Push. Now you do. Whoops. There you go. Push.
What do you think? Uh-huh. What are you doing out here? Uh-huh. What else? Uh-huh. Well, did you get snow on your boots?
Nope, don't take your gloves off. Put your hand in.
Yeah, it's cold. Say brr.
Can you say brr? Is it cold?
Yeah.
Can you say brr?
Yeah.
Hit your coat. Brush it off. There you go. Good job. That's pretty funny.
Yeah, did you get snow on it?
No.
No.
You want your shovel back?
Wow! Did you take a tumble? Probably aren't the best gloves. Hang on, buddy.
You want to get in?
Are you gonna get in your sled? Can you get in it and Dad will give you a ride?
Come here. I gotcha. Ready?
Just try it.
Sit down.
It's like your wagon.
Sit down, please.
Just try it. Sit down.
Sit down. Ready? Ready? Here we go. Stay there. Hold on. Ready? Here we go. Stay there.
Hang on, Maddox.
Whoa.
Wow.
That's why you gotta stay on the sled. You don't want to be on the sled? Should we pull it? Do you want to help pull it? Grab one. You grab it. Ready? Here we go. See it? See, don't you want to be on that? You want to sit on it? You want to sit on it? No? What? You want to go out there? Well, let's stay back here for now. How about you sit on the sled? Can you sit on the sled? Can I pull you? Alright.
All right, ready? Sit down. 1,
Ready?
2.
Here we go. We're going to spin around.